introduces OptiPMD, ISL's latest version of its robust and portable micro-distillation analyzer. OptiPMD follows ASTM D7345, which is approved in more than 10 fuel specifications, including gasoline with up to 20% ethanol, diesel, jet fuel, kerosene, and biodiesels. Whether you prefer using a D86 analyzer or other distillation option, or if you are currently using the old PMD 100 or 110 models, we'll show you how the new OptiPMD is faster, easier, safer, and it saves you money. OptiPMD is the fastest way to perform a distillation of petroleum products. Our analyzer saves between 25 to 35 minutes per distillation compared to D86 analyzers. OptiPMD performs a physical atmospheric distillation in just 10 minutes using only 10 milliliters of sample. This allows you to make faster decisions for process optimization and potentially save you millions in off-spec products. OptiPMD combines 15 years of experience with the latest technology to offer a very user-friendly solution that significantly reduces the need for training. Its intuitive GUI only requires the most basic parameters to start a test. Simply prepare the sample. And load into the analyzer. Enter a sample ID, select it from the preloaded options, or scan it with the barcode reader. Press Start to run the sample. Heat is applied to the bottom of the flask as soon as the test is started. The liquid temperature begins to rise, as shown by the green line. After a few seconds, the pressure inside the flask, indicated by the blue line, and the vapor temperature in yellow also begin to rise. When the pressure increases, this means the initial boiling point has been reached and the physical distillation process has begun. OptiPMD measures how fast these variables are responding to heat and adjusts heating power based on the pressure of the vapor phase, as well as the liquid and vapor temperatures to control the distillation rate. When the pressure drops to its pre-IBP value, it means the final boiling point has been reached, which marks the end of the distillation. OptiPMD measures liquid temperature, vapor temperature, and pressure, and from these measurements determines volume in real time. It does not rely on the condensation volume, as other traditional or miniaturized technologies do. Instead, it creates a baseline pressure and calculates the flow with the differential pressure. The firmware monitors the volume of the condensation to alert the user on when to empty the waste bottle. When the distillation is finished, OptiPMD processes the data and generates a distillation report, both in tabular and plot formats, compatible with D86. OptiPMD reduces the distillation time not only by using just 10 milliliters of sample. Distillation speed is not only dependent of sample volume, it is also the result of measuring both temperatures as well as the pressure, and then adjusting the heating power. OptiPMD can perform the fastest physical distillation in the market, thanks to its patented measurement technique. Results can be stored, printed, or shared via LIMS, or with a USB drive. OptiPMD's robust design and compact size makes it ideal for mobile lab applications. ISL made sure to instill the highest safety standards into the new OptiPMD. Its ultra-fast optical flame detector can alert of a fire in the improbable event of a broken flask, which can be rapidly extinguished by the built-in fire suppression system. The analyzer also includes built-in quality control functions, which allow users to enter specification limits by product. OptiPMD is compliant with ASTM D7345, IP 596, and in perfect correlation to ASTM D86, D1160 for biodiesel B100, ISO 3405, and IP 123. It's also included in 10 ASTM fuel specifications as an alternative to D86 for product certification, and compliant with international fuel specs in Canada, Mexico, Chile, India, as well as DEF-STAN 9191 for jet fuel. OptiPMD can also reduce the cost of ownership thanks to its minimal use of consumables and a longer-lasting flask. It also reduces the hazardous waste and its disposal costs. You can triple the productivity in your lab by saving in labor and consumables costs. OptiPMD is faster, easier, safer, and saves you money by using only 10 milliliters of sample in just 10 minutes. And it's approved in 10 or more fuel specs. Visit paclp.com for more information or to schedule a demo.